What's up, YouTube? This is Dylan coming at you from Mellow Vapes here in Indian land, the good old land of Indians, if you didn't know. Going over a product today that we just picked up. Literally, I ordered them Monday, we just got them in yesterday. Our shipment was just a tad bit late, but better late than never, I do always say. You've seen a lot of guys running around with a Smok Nord device. These are excellent pod style systems that hold 3 mils of juice. It's an 1100 mAh battery. It's 2 clicks to display your battery life. Mine's anywhere from 30% to 70%. It's light up yellow. But finally got in the new and improved Nord AIO 22 kit by Smok. This guy comes standard with a 2000 mAh battery. It does come with a separate piece. Well, I mean, it's not really separate. You can't put it on any other device and run it. But it holds 3 mils of juice. It's relatively similar to your Baby Beast, the Baby V2 tanks, the Prince. You just press your little button and it flips open. And just like the Baby V2, you don't have a seal right here. They're trying to throw you a curveball. Got your seal on the bottom. But you use your standard Android charger to plug it up and charge it. Like everything else, we always recommend stay away from an iPhone charger block or your Android fast chargers. Use a 1.0 amp or a 1.5 amp or even a 0.5 amp if you could find those. I don't know if they're still available or not. But this device, just like the Nord kit, nope, it's already on. 5 clicks on, 5 clicks off. And I just turned the guy off. So let's turn him back on. And then 2 clicks. Well, I turned it completely off. Sorry. Give me 1 second. Bear with me. Technical difficulties. 2 clicks. It's going to display your battery life. It's lighting up yellow, so it's anywhere from 70% down to 30%. When it's lighting up red, you're 30% to dying. So you need to be plugging it up and charging it soon. Obviously, when it's green, it's anywhere from 70% to 100%. Good to go. But it is top fill. It's relatively similar to pop in a coil. Just unscrew this bad boy. Obviously, when you have juice in it, you're going to want to tilt it upside down. And you do have a little tiny port right there. You want to make sure your juice level is below that. Otherwise, you're going to have a mess coming down through your chamber there. Let's open up this box really quick. And I'll show you how to put a coil in this bad boy. It does come with your standard Android charging cable. Like I said, it doesn't come with the block. Plug it up through a laptop and charge it. As long as it's not a Mac, the Mac will charge just like your iPhone does, extremely fast. Not saying it won't work for the time being, but it will eventually fry your battery out. But it does come with 2 different style coils. It's going to come with your 1.4 and your 0.6 mesh. The 0.6 is honestly where it's at. You can run freebase nicotine on that coil. You could also run salt nicks. I don't recommend a 50 milligram. I know Caleb over here, he runs 50 milligrams on salt nicks, and that's just way too much. They strictly suggest that you don't sub-ohm on salt nicks. But if you're doing a lower milligram, like let's say a 20, 25, maybe even a 30, 30 is kind of pushing it, you could also run that as well. It's going to be really good flavor. But it's pretty simple. These coils, literally, you just and then press fit. Just kind of like your Nord pod style system. Let me grab mine real quick. It does have a little bit of e-liquid in it, so I'm not going to pull it out, but it just pops right down in there just the same exact way. 3 mils of juice in this guy, 3.5 in this. That is also top fill, so you don't have to worry about getting your hands messy. And then you take it and you literally just screw it right back on there. Nice and snug, fill it up with juice, button to fire it, good to go. Don't want to burn this coil. You do have side airflow, so make sure when you're hitting your device, you're not covering that up. Anytime you restrict your airflow, you run the risk of burning it up just a little bit quicker. But yeah, this is going to be the Nord AIO 22 kit by Smok. Like I said, we've got blue, we've got red, I've got black, stainless, rainbow, and gold. All of them in stock, so come on down, check them out. If you got any questions, you can comment down below. You can call up here to the store from Facebook and hit the call now button. But as always, thanks for watching our YouTube, guys. Like and subscribe.